Hi, I'm Lawrence from Bosch Professional Power Tools. Today, we're going to be putting our new BITURBO Brushless range to the test. Give this a try. What do you think?
Surprised to see that it actually cuts as though a corded tool would. I would have thought I'd notice a difference between the power of the cordless and the corded, but it cuts just as well.
Can be a pain having to carry around your extension leads. Anything with battery, usually you're a bit worried that it's not going to have the oomph to do what you want, but this delivered, which is everything you want in a tool.
It's real easy to use, cut there and it's still got a full battery.
I found the drill really easy to use. It felt like I didn't really need to put much pressure on the back of it. It seemed to be guiding itself in mostly.
I've used early cordless stuff in the past and have been really underwhelmed by it, but this has really surprised me.
I definitely consider looking into Bosch. I'm really impressed with the power level.
It seemed better than what I've got, to be honest.
Very impressed with the cut, really clean.
I think I would definitely use the BITURBO Brushless in the future, so you're tempting me into the Bosch way of life.